Syahla. I am Azima. Hi guys. Welcome back to Syahla Azima Daily Fun. We want to cook like a simple ice cream from Oreos. So the ingredients are milk and this glass, I forgot what is this? A measuring cup. Some spoons and some this things because we don't have like the sticks for ice cream like popsicle, so we just use spoons and this. We have Oreos. This is not Oreo. This because it's like quarantine time, so we buy it next door. And only don't have Oreos, but this. But you can still eat Oreos. Okay. Now next, a cup, a normal cup, and scissors. Yes. The first we need to smash the Oreos. Azima here. Excuse me. We just need to smash it. I don't know how, but there we go. So we need to smash it. Enggak, di smash dulu. This is done. Now the next step, we need to open it with scissors. We need to cut all the way here, see? Cut until there. There you go. So we need the milk and this measuring cup. Just a little, okay? Because the Oreo's packed. Oh, I need to stand up. It's so tall. Just like almost there. Okay, done. Maybe this first, and then we just put it there. Azimanta. Oh, that's full. Okay. So that's it. Now we add more. Again. Until the top, okay? Yeah. Ooh, done. Now we choose spoons or this. I pick this. Blue. No, Papa. Okay, done. You just set it for a moment. Now Azima's cutting it. Ayo cepetan. Aduh, susah ya. Susah mak. Sini dulu ya. Ayo, stand up. Tuang. So we want to put the milk, okay? Mau choose yang mana? Spoon atau itu? Oh, okay. Yeah. So guys, we need to do it again. Smashing it again. It's so hard to smash. Oh, there we go. That's It's easy to make. You can make it at home, and you just need 2 ingredients. Like we are staying at home, right? We are like bosan, so you can make this at home, like cooking, because makes me very I cook is like make me very happy because I very like cooking. I cut it. I'm done bijak it. Oh, there we go. Okay, choose yang mana? So I want to pour it. You need a cup because later it's gonna spill everywhere. Ah! Sila. Aku sebenarnya aku kayak lemes gitu, enggak deh. Kayaknya takut tumpah. Abus. Oh no. Okay, here. Ini bisa kan? Nah. Oh, there you go. It's so full. There you go. It's so full. So now we put all of these in the freezer. Let's go. Let's go inside. Ini aku dah. So we want to put it in the freezer now. Let's go inside. Wow. Woo. Let's go put it in the freezer. Freezer. This. Oh, we have some there. And then it's done. We just need to put it and wait. Well, how many minutes? 10 minutes. Yeah. For 10 minutes. So later it's done in buka puasa, and I'm so excited to eat it. Me too. So I get out this thing in the like the cups. I want to eat it. I want to take off this plastics first. I want to cut it first. Yeah. Guys, ini udah dibuka, udah jadi. It's so good. It's very good. As you might, this is Oreo ice cream. I want to coba. Yummy. Very yummy. You want? Yummy. Okay? Very yummy. So, thank you for watching. Later, I post a new video all the time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye. Bye. Bye.